Well, hello. You just did this incredible workout and you want to get all the benefits from that. You don't want to be robbed of all that effort. Well, an appropriate recovery drink is actually the key to that. Helps you recover and helps you get the most out of all that hard work, so it's not done in vain. So I'm going to show you my superfoods shake. Many of you have seen that before, but many of you haven't. But if you have or haven't, I'm going to show you a different spin on it that none of you have seen before. So let's get started. A lot of it I already put together. The only equipment that I need is going to be a good blender. And this one here. Some blenders are a lot better than others. I will provide a link in the description area sometime later today of the exact one that I use, and if you don't have a blender that you like, you can get the one that I got. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so I got my little canister with the blender, and I filled it with about, I don't know, 10 to 14 ounces of water, somewhere in there. I never measure it, and it's based on taste anyway, so you got to figure out what works for you. For after a workout, I will put a banana in it. Normally, I don't put a banana because bananas have a lot of sugar. And so after a workout, you want to get a good whole food source sugar. I never put sugar in anything because sugar as an isolate is not whole and it feeds disease of every kind. So adding sugar to anything is a bad idea. You want to sweeten something up, use it from natural whole foods like dates and stuff like that. Or bananas, or kiwi, whatever. Berries. There you go. But since this is post-workout, sugar from a natural whole food source, something more sugar concentrated, is actually pretty appropriate, especially after a tough workout. So what I did is I put a banana in here, but here's something really cool. The banana, I picked a green banana. And the thing about green bananas, especially if you're worried about blood sugars, diabetic, or just worried about blood sugar for any reason, the green bananas, they're starch resistant. When I first heard that word, I'm like, starch resistant? I know what starch is. This sounds interesting. So I looked into it and I learned more about it. Starch resistant food, the whole concept of starch resistant is incredibly exciting. I mean, that's like an epiphany, aha moment. So I'm not going to get into that here. Just go to my website, tombirkenmeyer.com, and search in the little search field, starch resistant. You'll get a couple of results and you can start your own search on that and get plenty of examples. But a green banana is starch resistant. So it has the sugar, but at the same time, it's blood sugar friendly. So that's a pretty cool thing. That's why I do green bananas mostly. So I got the green banana in here. I bet you learned something new just now, didn't you? So I got the green banana in here. I also put some berries in here, frozen blueberries, and about 10 to 14 ounces of water. I'm also going to put in some chia seeds, chia, a tablespoon or two tablespoons. Chia seed is slow digesting, which doesn't make it ideal for after a workout, but a unique thing about chia is they're packed with energy. So that's actually pretty good either after a workout or it's just part of your day if you haven't worked out. They're blood sugar friendly, but they're also loaded with energy. So then I've also got the sugar, but starch resistant sugar from the banana, which is really freaking sweet. I wish they taught this in school, but they don't that I know of. I'm also going to add, this is optional, some cayenne pepper, organic, really good stuff. It adds a lot of heat. It's also a powerful antioxidant. I never get sick, that's for sure. So I got plenty of that in there. You can also get a good cinnamon bark oil and add a drop. I'll put a link to the cinnamon bark oil that I use so that you can use the same thing that I use if you want. Cinnamon bark oil, good cinnamon in general, but cinnamon bark is a highly concentrated form of cinnamon, and that is a superfood for the pancreas. There are so many people that have literally healed themselves of diabetes with cinnamon being a main part of their diet, like a staple, because it's a superfood that profoundly nourishes and restores the functionality of the pancreas, which is where insulin and glucagon comes from, the pancreas, the two hormones that regulate blood sugar. So cinnamon bark, incredibly powerful if used correctly, but I'll provide a link to the one that I use in the description later today so that you can see that one too. Alright, and then the main ingredient, and I don't even really need any of this other stuff, but since this is a post-workout drink, I got the banana in there for the extra whole food sugar content, but I've got this superfoods chocolate orgasm shake that I call it because it's really freaking good. It's my daily chocolate orgasm. So I'll do one big ol' hearty scoop of that. I'll put it in my little container here. Now this, I will have at least 2 of these a day, to be honest with you. Like I'll do one without a banana, so it's more of a meal replacement, slower digesting, but since this is post-workout, I put the banana in there to give it more sugar so that it's more, you know, ideal for a recovery type of event after a workout. But so that's my two main variations I have of this incredible superfood orgasm meal shake, chocolate orgasm meal shake every day. It's 100% plant-based. It's vegan, in other words. There's no animal byproduct, no dairy, no soy, no gluten. Everyone asks that. Soy, gluten. There's none of that stuff in there. And no fillers, no preservatives. Pretty awesome stuff. So those are the two main variations I have of that. One, I'll doctor up for a post-workout event, and another just as a regular meal shake where it's slower digesting. And it's even good just by itself with just some water, to be honest with you, which I'll show when I go on vacation later, or later this month. Alright, so I got all my ingredients in here. So now I'm just going to blend it up, and I'm going to taste it, and I'll probably have one, a big O, live on video feed for you. You can see my O face. That's creepy. God. Okay, let's blend this baby up. Also, when I'm doing this as a regular meal shake, I'll put in like a fistful of spinach or mostly arugula in there, but not right now for the post-workout drink. One of my favorite things to put in here is also frozen pineapple chunks, but I didn't do it this time. And that's good for either just a regular slow digesting meal or a post-workout recovery drink. I guess the main difference for a post-workout recovery drink is I put the banana in because the banana's got all that sugar content. So here it is, a post-workout drink. Here we go. Jesus, man, doesn't get old. So freaking good. I just had one. So there you go, my chocolate orgasm. You witnessed it here. It is so good. If you want the superfood shake, feel free to private message me about that. Happy to share that with you as well. So in the description, I will add later today the blender that I use, because some blenders out there really suck. And this one is pretty awesome. I've used it for years and years, and it doesn't break, and it does the job. I'll also give you a link to the cinnamon bark oil that I used. And anything else that I use in this, I'll put the links in the description so you can use exactly what I used if you want to. And then the superfood shake, that breaks down to cost-wise $3 or $4 per meal, $3 or $4 per meal, between $100 and $129 a month, $3 or $4 a meal. So it pays for itself pretty easily because the meal that I replace is going to cost at least that much anyway, more than that actually, so it saves a lot of money actually. So if you want to know about the superfood shake, just private message me. And if you want to talk about your overall health goals, feel free to private message me. And if I can help and connect you to something that's going to help you with your goals to get healthier and feel better, I'm happy to do that. And I think that's about all I've got. So I'm going to go read the comments now. And if anybody has a question or something you'd like me to demo for you, feel free to shout it out now, okay? Hi Maria, hi Linda, hi Teresa, hi Giovanna, hi Mickey, hi Lindsay, hi Donna, hi Brenda, hi Cheryl. Let's see, Mickey says, yes, sugar is bad, honey is good, but sugar is bad. Stores and fat cells, green bananas I eat a lot of Caribbean foods, it's healthy. Ooh, the Caribbean, I love the Caribbean. Going on a cruise here soon, not in the Caribbean, but in a tropical place along the Baja Peninsula of Mexico. I'll be making videos from there too, believe me. Hi Alicia. Hi Denise. Hi Wendy. Donna says, I love banana and mini bananas and plantains. I never learned how to make plantains, but I've had plantains at some southern restaurants and they're pretty good. Hi Chima. Hi Barbara. Hi Julie. I'm all caught up. Not a lot of comments. So I'll let this go my typical 1 more minute, and if it's dead for a minute as far as comments, questions, and things I can show you or answer, then I'll just say it ran its course, and that'll be it for this video. Hi, pretty bubbles. Nice to see you. You're my best passenger so far. Well, up there with my best, I guess. I don't know. And the content of the video is pretty much over. However, you will be able to go back and watch it, because I will have it archived on my Facebook timeline. But right now, I got this chocolate orgasm, and it's pretty freaking delicious. Damn, that's good. Okay, a little over 30 seconds left, and I'm going to end this. TomBerkenmeyer.com is my website. My grocery list, I've got well over 100 videos of different medicinal, plant-based, whole food meals you can make that taste amazing and are so good for you. Hi Lindsay, hi Abraham. You really make me smile. Well, thanks. You're making me smile too, see? Smiling right now. It's proven, it's captured on live video. I've been drinking this for a very long time, years and years and years and years. I'm looking forward to the private messages that I get from you guys asking me about this superfood shake. It's about $3 or $4 per meal. A few more seconds because I know there's a 20-second delay. Yummy, Julie says. It is yummy. It's more than yummy. It's orgasmically delicious. A little stash right there of chocolate. It happens. It happens. Okay. I'm going to end this. Looks like the video ran its course. Nobody else has any questions or things you'd like me to show you. Just a bunch of compliments, which is nice. But I also like questions and demos too. So this ran its course. So yeah, private message me if you want to talk about your health goals or see the superfood shake. I'll add links in the description of the stuff that I used to make this so you can use what I used if you want, because some stuff is better than others, that's for damn sure. Feel free to share this with people. And TomBerkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. Okay? Take care, everyone. I'll see you again real soon. Mwah. Gotta figure out how to turn this thing off. There it is. Bye for now.